Hi guys, let me show you how I styled this Tiwa wig, also known as Pixie cut wig. Let's tie this hair together. It has a very wide band strap and it is full lace, that's 13 by 4 frontal. Then first thing I do in all my wig is remove this comb. It is not useful, it has no use there. For my color base, I grab a container, I put my foundation of my color in there, then I put spray, holding spray in it, enough amounts of it, and I mix it together. While mixing with my brush that I'll be using to apply it, I mix it together till everything is well combined. When that is done, I took my brush and I applied it on the lace, and this came out very good, very well, like I tinted it for real. You can see how realistic it's looking now. Then I take my spray, I spray it on my edges and I use my hand to swap it backward. Then I take my edges brush and I use it to grip my hair backward, just the way you are seeing in this video. After doing that, I grab my wig cap. This is HD wig cap. Then I put it on my head and I adjusted it to my perfect preference. Very good. Then I adjust the back of the cap of the wig. I remove this strap. A lot of you tie it and hook it together, but no, that is the wrong way. This is actually the right way. There's a hole in there where you can hang it. You can see, just like this, and your cap will be firm and tight, especially for short wigs like this. That is the perfect way for you to do it. So I put it on my head, and what I'm going to do here is to size it and also cut out excess behind my ear. This is how I do mine, and I advise you do so, especially for beginners, so you won't cut your hair or you won't spoil your lace. Take a take home, cut out the shape of your ear as you can see, then take your scissors carefully. Make sure you are not cutting your ear with it. Just carefully lift up the lace, then you trace the lace on the scissors, then you cut it out just like this. Check it out and make sure it is sitting perfectly behind your ears. Do that to the other ear as well, and you'll get a very perfect laying wig. It's all done here and it's time to lay it down. I go in with my holding spray. I spray it all around my forehead where I want the lace to start from. So I spray it in. I use my hand to dab it in. Then after that, I'm going to dry it. I'm going to blow dry, not on heat mode, just on hair dry mode. So I'm going to apply another layer to it, which is what I'm doing right here. So I repeat this process about 4 times. I want it very sticky. that is what we are trying to get here. We want it to be very, very sticky. I repeat this process about 5 times, and I advise you do so as well. Now it is sticky and I can proceed to laying my wig on it. When you are doing this, please be careful because any single touch, your lace is going to gum on your head. So be careful and make sure you are laying it at the right place you want it to be. So any single mistake and you're trying to adjust is going to ruin the old glue on your head. Then you have to remove and start gluing, putting another layer of spray again. So just be careful. Then that's what I'm doing here. After laying it to my preferred shape and where I want it to be, I use my comb to comb it backward and to press it down on the glue. I'm combing it backwards, same time pressing it down on the glue so it can lay very, very well and flat. When that is done, I go in with my holding spray again. I spray it all around the edges of the lace. Then I secured it with a band. Make sure you secure it immediately because after putting this spray, if you don't secure it immediately, your lace is going to lift. The one that has been gum is going to melt. So I need you guys to know something, that gum melts gum. If you have gum on your head and it is very, very hard and sticky, when you put another gum on it, it's going to melt the one there. So that's just how it works. Then after that, I'm just going to let it sit there for few minutes, about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But if you are blow drying, just 5 minutes is fine. Then I remove the band and cut the excess lace. When cutting out your lace, make sure you are very, very careful while doing this. Then cut out the excess lace there. It's already looking good and coming together. So next thing I'm going to do is cap the remaining of the foundation mixture that I did. Then I took a smaller brush and I apply it at the edges, at the line of the lace. So what we are doing here is to blend the lace into my head, so we won't have any harsh line over there. So just do this and you see the result. Very, very good. When that is done, I secure with a band again to melt it. Then I took my wax stick and apply it on the hair at the front. So I'm just going to apply it. Then I'm going to take my hand dryer, this time on a very high heat. Then I'm going to take this brush. Then I'm just going to swipe it backward like this. I don't know if you get this, but if you get this, this is a game changer. This will flatten your hair in few seconds. It will flatten out your hair. It does the work of a hot comb, even more than a hot comb. Then I'm just going to remove the band, and as you can see, the harsh line are faded already. So when that is done, I'm going to cut out the parting I want. I'm doing a side parting. After cutting out the parting, I had to use my wax stick again to lay the place I cut, to lay it flat down just like this. Then after that, I took my hot comb to press it down on a very high heat. So I'm just going to do this to the front as well and do it to the other side as well. Please be careful. Hot comb are extremely hot and you don't want to hurt yourself. When that is done, we move to the styling part. First thing I did is trim out the hair on the side, at the tip, and some at the back as well. I'm doing this so that the hair will come out nice and very flat, just the way you're seeing it. Nothing too much, just slight shading of the excess stuff there because I want it looking very flat and perfect. After that, I took my tiny straightener, this tiny tip mouth straightener, then I use it to coil it. So this is what I do. I take it section by section, small section. Please part out in small section to get a very good perfect result. So I take it out in section, I straighten it out, then I coil it, I roll it in with this small straightener. I don't know what the name is, but this is the perfect thing that does the job. This does the work very perfectly. Make sure you hold it for some time so that it will coil very well. So hold it down for some times, and after about 1 minute, then you remove it and it come out nice. Then you use your hand to roll it in, and that is how you're going to get these coils. This is how she came out, looking so pretty and beautiful. I love it. Then I took my hot comb and laid the front backward and make sure it is looking flat as well. And I also did the back and the other side as well. I used my hot comb to lay it flat at the back and at the side, and this is what she's looking like. What do you think about this hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. And also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop some comment in the comment section, and also share to somebody you'd love to style this hair with. Bye.